WordPress is a popular website builder. It is free to use. Many people choose WordPress. It is easy to use. WordPress is used for different websites. You can make blogs with it, you can create business websites, you can even have online shops. WordPress is very popular. This is because it is simple. You do not need to know coding. It is also free to download. WordPress is a good choice. It can help you make a website. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an expert. Installing WordPress is easy. First, you need a web host. A web host is like a house for your website. Then you can download WordPress. You can find it on WordPress.org. Next, you need to upload WordPress. You can use a tool called FTP. FTP helps you move files. You move the WordPress files to your web host. After that, you can run the installation. You do this on your web browser. You will need to follow some steps. You will choose a username and password. Now you have WordPress installed. You can log into your website. You will see the WordPress dashboard. You can start building your website. WordPress has many features. These features make it easy to use. One important feature is themes. Themes control the look of your website. You can change themes easily. WordPress has many free themes. You can also find paid themes. These themes have more options. Another important feature is plugins. Plugins add new things to your website. For example, you can add a contact form. There are many different plugins. You can find a plugin for almost anything. Plugins make your website more powerful. WordPress has many benefits. This is why it is so popular. One benefit is that it is easy to use. You don't need to be an expert. Another benefit is that it is free. You can download and use it for free. There are also many free themes and plugins. WordPress is also very flexible. You can create any type of website. Finally, WordPress has a large community. There are many people who use WordPress. You can find help online if you need it. This makes WordPress a good choice for beginners.